Start with the jackhammer. Then the mid-back.
Nice.
Upper back. Lower neck. Low back again.
How was that? That was good.
Yeah.
Time for the neck.
Head relaxed all the way.
Finish with the hug.